a set of accounting information for a legal or business entity. Okay. So the very important thing is for ledger, for creation of ledger. Okay, four things is required, 4 C's. That is chart of accounts, calendar, currency, and accounting convention. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
let me give you. I told you no already. Calendar. You understood no? Calendar year. 1st January to 31st.
Yes, sir.
Physical year 1st January to 31st March. It's called calendar. Okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
are recording with the date. You have a date for recording a transaction. Date is mandatory. So calendar. And currency. Which type currency? Functional currency. Functional currency is called local currency. It is the currency we use to record transaction and maintain your accounting data. You understand what I am telling? Currency.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
understand what I am telling? You see, you are accounting, you are recording the transaction in which currency? In your local currency. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
your
sir.
local currency, no, 5,000 suppose I have shown the entry, no. So salary to cash, you are accounting, okay, in which currency? In Indian currency. That is called functional currency. Functional or local currency, we call it as a functional currency. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then reporting currency. Reporting currency is, it is, see, suppose in case of foreign transaction, suppose if you are doing an export or import, in that suppose you are exporting some material or something. So in that case, what happens is you have to do a foreign transaction, no? Correct, no? For that, yeah, you have to do a foreign transaction, but you are doing it in functional currency, but it will get converted to what happens? It will convert it to foreign currency, reporting currency. That is called report. The currencies are automatically converted according to the country. That is called reporting currency. Okay.
Okay.
For reporting purpose, reporting currency needed. Okay. You understand what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
See, your company is in India. Okay. Now, functional currency. Okay. Functional currency you have understood. Okay. Now, the reporting currency, what, suppose if you are exporting or doing, suppose if you have an office in US or something, branch office US. Suppose if you want to give a report, they require in their currency. So what you have to do? You are recording your transaction in the local currency, but the report will they can view it in a their currency. That is it is getting converted. No, that is called reporting currency. Correct? You agree with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's clear or not?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
So prerequisite, I told you, calendar, currency. You relate with that entry which I have given. Date is very important. That is calendar. Currency. Which type of currency? That is very important. Then this is another thing is, this is called, 1 minute. Next is chart of account structure. This is very, very important. Chart of account structure. What is that? You are listing the names of account that a company has identified. Listing the names of account. Listing the, you are listing the name of the account. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
COA. It's shortly called COA. COA is chart of account. chart of account structure, you are giving the listing of names. Okay, it's a chart. Chart means what? It's a list. So list of accounts. You are maintaining. You are giving in a list. You are maintaining the list of accounts so that you can take the report accordingly. Okay, and segments wise, you are bifurcating. See, segment. For example, here company. Next department, accounts. Account. Which account is that? Department. Why this? You can have minimum 2 segments, maximum 30 segments. This is all required for reporting purpose. See, you are creating an entry. Okay, you are accounting a transaction, and that accounting transaction you have to list the names of accounts has to be listed accordingly. Okay, no, then only you can take the report of financial statements, no, like P&L, balance sheet, and all. When you assign, when you assign the account, then only you can able to take the financial report. Salary, in which account it has to be accounted. Salary uh, in which account has to be assigned. That is salary in which asset. Sorry, nominal account. The nominal account is a expense, no. So salary is expense. Then
Yes, sir.
then what is that? Cash, bank. It is an real account. It should be an asset. So like that you are assigning nature of accounts. You are giving listing the accounts. Okay. So first in the account, even if you can have accounts, but minimum 2 you have to have. So you are combining the account, company and accounts. Okay. See, if you, for example, if you record the transaction like this, salary to bank, without mentioning from where it has gone, what is the use? Okay. So from where you are giving, from which company it is accounted. See, in some companies they will have 2 or 3 branches. So from which branch it has gone. Like you have to list out the accounts, list out the names. Accordingly, we have to assign. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is,
Sir.
see, segment
Sir.
you know. Accordingly, you are see, segment wise, company, department, accounts. For now you have understood,
sir.
no? Company X and Co, department accounts, and in which account? Salary, bank, and
Salary account.
nature of account is expense, asset. That 5 I already told, no. Nature of account, that is asset,
Liability.
liability, revenue,
Equity.
equity. Very good. This
Equity.
is very important. This is called nature of account. This nature of account, okay, this nature of account is linked to this. Okay, okay. That and all in the next subsequent classes we will explain to you. But broadly, I am giving a brief explanation. That's all. So now this company, department, and accounts. This 3 combined is called. They will, what will do? They will assign a code for each of these things. If you understand what I am telling, if suppose X and Co, accounts, salary, X and Co, accounts, bank. Okay, X and Co, accounts, bank. X and Co, accounts, bank, salary. Like this kind of things. Is, can we give like that? It is not. Instead of this, what they will give, they are giving this code for each code. This is called segment. What I told, this is called segment.
Segments.
Segment, and this is called value. This is called what? Value.
Values.
Segment value. Segment value. Below the segment, the values which we are going to give is called segment value. Below that segment, it is called what it means? Value. Yeah. See, I will show you the screen. It's okay? Segment.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
It's okay? Correct? Huh? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sarita, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here. The company
Yes, sir. Now it's
01, marketing department, salary. Okay. So code combination, code what they have assigned for company 01, marketing department 101, salary 4,100. Okay. So what is this? Company marketing company department salary. It is called segment. Under that, the value which you are assigning is called segment value. 01, 101, 4001. That is called value. And this combined, it is called code combination. What it called?
Code
What?
combination.
Code combination.
combinations.
Now, see here the entry. Now you will understand. When the marketing department in the administration company in Cairo receive the monthly salary in the end of the month, and assuming that the cash value is 1,000, the journal entry will be how they are accounted. You now understand?
On
Cairo company under Cairo company department marketing 4,100 is salary debit, then credit company marketing department 4,000 1,000 is, suppose they are assigning code for cash, it will come as cash. You understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So segment value. Okay. You understand what I am telling?
Yes,
Structure,
sir.
segment value. I will tell you. This is very, very important. Structure, company, department, and accounts. Okay. This is called segment. And under this segment, you are assigning the value. You are giving the value. You are setting the value. So in company 01 is the company. Okay. Department, accounts, marketing, sales. Okay. Then okay, like that department. Okay. For that they have assigned is, I will tell you, 01 company 01 01 01. Okay. Now accounts they have assigned 02 or 002. 002 and 003. 002. And this 005. Okay. So department. Then accounts. Now you are giving for 1,001 say capital. Two thousand one capital, that is equity. 2001, that, for example, your asset. Okay, bank, liability. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that you are giving. You understand the code, how they are giving the code. See, for company 01, okay, there are various departments under the company: accounts, marketing, sales, HR. Then, accordingly, in the accounts segment, they are giving like this: capital, equity, bank, asset, payable, liability, commission received, income, salary, expense. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now
Yes, sir.
you have understood, you understood
So
structure.
1001 is code, sir.
1001 for account segment, they have allotted 1001 for capital, equity.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then
Okay,
2001 is for asset.
for asset. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
3001 payables, liability. See, actually, I will tell you. See, see.
Sneha, sir, I'll just tell her this.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
it need not be necessarily only 1001. Okay, it can be anything.
Yes,
Sometimes
ma'am.
it is all depends on the company what code, because there
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will not go and type capital and everything in the system, right? So these are the codes which will be there in the manual. So
Yes,
whoever
ma'am.
is taking care of cash account or the payables and anything, they will just if they want to run a query, want to see a report, they will just type that number and the whole report of that particular account will be displayed on your screen. Okay, so
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are basically nothing but codes assigned for a particular account. That,
Accounts.
that can be alphanumeric also. Okay, so it
Okay.
all depends on the company, the way it wants to name it or wants to code it. Okay,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
so continue, sir.
Uh, Ma'am, thanks, madam, for giving this. See, actually, Sneha, Srikanth,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
See, now just now ma'am told no. See the see why I have not given the detailed thing is in the subsequent class ma'am is going to ma'am or maybe the whoever is going to class we will be taking a detailed thing about this. Okay, there are a lot of things for creating a value. There are some rules are there. How to create a value? What is the rule for creating value and all? Okay, so that I
Yeah,
am not touching.
and
Tell me, ma'am.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see, now you'll just get a basic idea as in what
That is
segment
why.
or value segment is. See, once we start doing the implementation part, no, so you'll be actually seeing the screen and you'll be seeing those headings. So once we start doing that, you'll get a better clarity as to what it is. But before going into the implementation, we need to know what exactly the theory part is. So that's the reason we're just, giving you a brief idea as to what a segment is. Later on when we start implementing, you'll get a fair idea as to okay how this works on the screen. It's very easy, you don't have to actually by heart all this. These will be displayed on the screen, like in on Excel sheet. You can see there are some page layout and formulas, data review and all that. So the same way all these segment and values also will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so sir is just explaining what each term means. All right, so once
Okay,
we
ma'am.
start implementing, you'll get a better idea of it. Okay. Thank you, sir. Please continue.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. No issue, ma'am. If you want, you can give inputs at any time. No issue.
Yeah, sure, sure, sir. Sure, sir. You can
See,
continue, sir. Yes, sir.
just Srikanth, Sneha.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See, now I have given the values. Okay, just
Yes, sir.
one or two I will ask examples. Okay, you have to tell me correctly what will be the code combination.
Okay,
What will
sir.
be the
Okay.
code combination? You, what
Okay,
will be
sir.
the code? How the code combination? Suppose based on this you understand now?
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Commission received. Okay,
yes, sir.
commission received.
Okay, sir.
Commission received by cash.
01.
Ah, what is the entry? But you have to tell in the code combination. Okay.
01.
Ah,
Uh, initial means, sales are sir 004.
no.
Account.
Okay. 00. Actually, the code combination for this we are see code combination already. Code combination will be there. Okay. So if commission received on sales.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, okay. So what will be the entry?
01.
01,
004. 4001.
4001. Okay. You are received how much amount? For example, 5,000. 01 004 4,000. Okay.
4000.
5,000. This is debit. Correct? No?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now credit part you tell. Is
01.
no.
Uh,
I am telling debit means you are telling okay. Commission received. What is the entry?
Income.
Income. No. What is the entry?
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me. First. What is the entry for commission received? You are receiving by cash. Let it take. You are receiving by cash or okay, bank itself you tell. Or
Uh,
okay, I need not confuse you. Okay, I will keep it as bank charges. Okay, bank interest I will keep. Okay, bank interest. Bank interest I will keep it. Okay, what will be the entry? Bank interest in SB account it got credited. It's an income, no? Correct?
yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
tell
sir.
me the entry.
Bank account data to bank interest.
Bank account data to bank. Ma'am,
It gets credited to the bank, right, sir?
no, bank interest, madam. Bank has given the credit in your SB account. In the
Yes,
company,
sir.
yeah. What is that? It's an income, no?
Income. Yes, sir.
Ah, that the third rule I told you, no? What is the third
Yes,
rule?
sir. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
Okay, okay. Ah, then what is the entry? Your hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
interest. Credit all incomes and gains. What you got the credit?
Bank interest, cash.
Ah, bank interest you got. Okay. Now debit. Debit what?
Debit cash. Cash, sir.
No, no, no. You are not getting cash, no. In bank it got credited.
Okay, sir.
Then you have to use 01 004 2001.
Oh,
Correct or not?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Bank
okay,
account
sir.
data to interest received. Correct, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Last time itself I told you to go through the concepts. Last Sunday purposefully I have taken the class. I told many times what is that income, what is that expense, and you are not applying the golden rule, then it is very difficult. Okay. Credit 01 002 accounts 002
2001.
002. Okay. Then what? Interest 4001
Okay, sir.
5000. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Now, okay. Now next I will ask you. Salary paid by bank. Salary through check you are paying. Salary through check you are paying. See, first you apply the golden rule. The three types of accounting. What is the three golden rules? Tell me.
Personal account, real account, and nominal
Ah,
account.
personal account what?
Debit the
What is
receiver,
the
credit the giver.
real account?
Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
Okay, okay,
Nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains.
okay, okay. Now you are telling that. Now apply that. Apply this with that rule. Apply that rule. Then it is easy, no? See,
Salary account
you have paid.
debtor to bank.
Salary. What is that? Salary you have paid. Salary what?
Yes,
It's a
sir. Expense.
So what is that rule?
Debit all expenses and losses.
So salary account data to
Bank.
Bank account.
bank account, because
Sir.
bank is what? Why you are crediting bank?
Credit what goes out, sir.
Huh? Ah,
Real account.
real. Very good, very good. So see, why I think people you have any problem in answering? Are you afraid or
No,
something?
no, sir.
Please feel free. If see, whenever I ask something, whether it is right or wrong, please respond. Don't get if it is right or wrong, you please respond. Then only I can able to clarify you. If you are keeping silent means how can I know whether you have understood or not? Correct? No. See, this
Yes, sir.
is very important. See, it may looks like a basic thing. Okay, it's 11th standard only. This is a this what this accounting entry and all. It's 11th standard this thing. Okay, but why I am giving it, since you are all new to this account background, you have not been having, no. That is why I am giving detailed thing. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this is very important, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you have understood the concepts, huh? So I will, you are not, you have now to create a ledger, primary ledger. What is the requisites? Prerequisites. What is the prerequisite?
Chart of accounts.
Calendar,
Four things
currency.
you have to: chart of
Yes,
accounts,
sir. Calendar,
Calendar, currency,
currency. Next,
account conversion.
accounting conventions.
accounting conversion. Accounting conversion is very, very simple. Accounting conversion, I told you, no, already accrual, cash basis, accrual basis. You remember what is cash
Yes,
basis,
sir.
accrual basis? Yeah. What is
Immediately make the payment.
buy now, pay now,
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Accrual
sell
basis.
now, receive now. Okay. It is called accrual basis.
Buy now, pay later.
Ah. Sell now, sell now,
Sell now,
later.
get the
Receive
payment
letter.
later.
Receive later.
Receive
That is
later.
called accrual account. Okay. Whether you receive or not, you are accounting the your your that I will tell you later on what is realization and all. I don't want to confuse you. I don't want to make you complicate really. So this remember between cash and accrual. Now receive later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sell now, receive later. Purchase now.
Make payment later.
That is called accrual. Okay. You understand what I am telling is? You are
Yes,
supposing
sir.
you are purchasing goods or some machinery, okay, from the supply, from the vendor, okay, from he is supplying to you today, okay. Now what you are going to do is after 30 days you are going to pay. After 30 days you are going to pay, but you are
Yes,
accounting
sir.
the entry, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
are accounting the entry as a payable account. That is, you have to pay, no. So you are accounting it. You are not yet paid actually, but you are accounting it. Then while making payment, you are adjusting that account. Correct? No? You are
Yes, sir.
Yes,
clearing
sir.
that account.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah,
sir. Yes, sir.
that, see, these are all the basic things you have to be very clear. So to create a ledger, 4 C's, remember, 4 C's required. Chart of accounts, calendar,
Calendar.
currency,
Currency conventions.
accounting conversion. So,
Accounting conventions.
okay. And the chart of
Yes, sir.
accounts contains what? Structure,
Sir, value, segments, value.
Segments, value.
value. Structure means what? The company, X and Co. I told you, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Segment value. That's all. Segment value.
Segment value.
Segment. Below that, you are giving value. That is called segment value.
Segment value.
Yeah. Segment value. That's all. That is called chart of accounts. Okay. And
Yes,
the
sir.
code you are assigning, no, the code you are giving, that is called, that is value. And when you passing the entry, that you are combining this, no, this like company, department and salary, you are combining it. That is called code combination. What is called?
Yes, sir.
Code
Code
combination.
combination.
You understand what? Code combination.
Yes.
Now,
Sir.
before winding up, I will tell you. Now you have understood, no? First example I gave, no? Is simple example, salary to cash. You are recording in a diary means a date and amount. Amount means which type of currency. Then what is the nature of transaction, that and all you have to record, no? Okay.
Sir.
So remember that accordingly you will not forget it. So for recording a business transaction, what is needed? First of all,
Date.
date. Very good. Pardon?
Count, department,
Department and all you should not tell.
Count.
count,
Date and all, date should not tell. To create a ledger, to account a transaction, to create a ledger, what is required? 4 C's I told, no? Calendar.
Chart of accounts. Calendar. Chart of accounts. Currency.
Ah.
Accounting convention.
counting conventions.
What is meant by chart of account?
It consists of segments,
Segments and values.
Segment value.
segment value,
Values.
And the combination of this code is called?
Code
code
combinations.
combinations.
Well, very simple. So prerequisites of ledger, I am asking prerequisites of, if somebody asks you what is the prerequisite to create a ledger, you have to answer what? Prerequisites of
Process.
ledger or what? Chart of accounts,
Calendar,
calendar, currency,
currency,
accounting
See.
convention.
Accounting conventions.
accounting conventions.
Okay, this is very, very important. This is 4 C's. Okay, 4 C's you have to remember. Calendar, chart of accounts, currency, accounting in convention. Okay, and what is chart of accounts?
Chart of account contains
Consists
segments
of
and values.
segment values.
Okay, and the code which we are giving the combination of codes is called?
Code combination.
Code combination.
You understand what I am telling? Okay.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And one more thing I would like to add, minimum 2 segments. Okay,
Maximum 30 segments.
maximum 30 segments. Okay, that's all. I am giving a brief, but later on in the class, subsequent classes, you will be given a detailed explanation about this. Again, we will going to take this. Okay, so don't worry.
Okay, sir.
But remember this. But don't be blind or see tomorrow if we are going to take classes again, we will be referring this. We will be asking this, but don't keep silent, please, because at least you have to respond. Okay. So
Okay,
please
sir.
go through this. It's very, very important. So what my request is, again, you go through this, and if you have any doubt, you please let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we will wind up for this day. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, everyone.
Ma'am, anything you
yes,
want to add in this, or any missed out during?
nothing, sir. I think we'll again be taking everything, so I think it will be a refresher for them. I think
Okay.
for today
No,
it's
would you
enough for
like
them.
to give any input on this, or if I am missed
Nothing.
out anything, or if I am not
No, sir.
clarified?
No, sir. Nothing. The basics you've covered everything, sir.
Okay. Okay.
It's,
Only see, my plan is
yeah.
to cover that accounting terminology, but this itself taken
No,
much.
no problem, sir. We will cover it